welcome to MIS Implants. I'm Dr. Shelia Kazani and I'll be taking you on a tour of our headquarters. MIS is located in the northern part of Israel, in the Bar-Lev Industrial and High-Tech Park. For over 25 years, MIS has been developing and producing advanced products and innovative solutions aimed to simplify implant dentistry. The first stop on our tour is the Research and Development Center. This is the playground for the talented engineers in our R&D department who use this equipment to give life to their vision. The few machines you see in this small production floor are mostly Swiss and Japanese. They are part of state-of-the-art technology, which is used throughout headquarters to produce top-of-the-line precision products that deliver quality, predictability, and simplicity to our customers. Within this lab, our team produces prototypes for new products as well as for existing products which are undergoing changes. Our next stop on the tour is the main production floor. We have over 70 Swiss CNC machines, including 8 machines for grinding. We work in 3 shifts, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Overall, we have about 150 production employees, which includes both operators and setup technicians. This is where we monitor the machines and make sure they work smoothly. This is the first step in the QA process and requires a very specific checklist. The machines are set up according to the technical specs received from engineering. Setup may take a few hours and up to a few days, depending on the complexity of the item being run. Within the production hall, the machines are placed according to similar product categories or product families. For example, if the machine has been producing implants, the next setup will be for implants as well. This saves time when setting up the machines and makes the process more efficient. Here, you can see the raw material being fed into the machine. We use titanium alloy, which we source from suppliers in the US. This provides us with the quality and quantities we require. Each rod is 3.5 meters long and gives us around 300 implants. The next grinding machine we'll be looking at on our tour is the one used to produce the final drills for our implants. The final drills produced here are delivered sterile and sharp. They are intended for single use and correspond precisely to the diameter and length of the implant they are delivered with. The material is brought to nearly liquid form and then cooled. This tempering process ensures that the material acquires the necessary characteristics. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes for a blank to become a final drill. Let's walk over to the anodizing room. Anodizing is the process by which we can give our implants and abutments their unique color coding. This is an electrochemical process where the implants are placed in an acid electrolyte solution with an electric current passed through it. This is a very controlled method of oxidation and can give us the various shades of color for our different implant lines. After anodization, the implants go to the sandblasting room. In here, alumina particles are blasted by a robot at the implant from several different directions, forming microscopic holes on its surface. The next step will be acid etching, which creates the unique nanopores and completes the implant surface treatment process. Let's have a look at the packaging room. The state-of-the-art packaging area is divided into several different stations. The clean room is a class ISO 7 and meets the highest standards of sterility and cleanliness. The specialized filters ensure that there are less than 350,000 particles size 0.5 microns or higher per cubic meter and less than 3,000 particles size 5 microns or higher per cubic meter. The clean room gets a weekly internal inspection and a yearly external one. Another area is the automatic packaging machine, which is also managed under sterile conditions. The machine you see here was custom designed for MIS. This process includes a quality assurance step that checks to see if the correct implant with the correct diameter and length is inserted into the proper packaging and is part of the correct work order. This helps us avoid errors when packaging. This machine is responsible for the packaging of 100% of our implants in the sterile and automated conditions. All products that contact a patient's open gingiva go through stringent sterilization. Our implants are packaged in an internal tube as well as an outer tube and are then packaged in customized boxes, which, by the way, are designed in our in-house studio where all of our marketing material is designed and illustrated by our graphic design team. Next on our tour is the warehouse. The semi-automatic robotic system is fast and efficient and holds enough stock to guarantee 48-hour global delivery from day of order without fail. The products are all organized by segmented categories depending on the frequency and quantity of order. Next up is our test laboratory. During the product development stage, whether working on a brand new product or improving on an existing one, very specific performance requirements must be met and submitted to various regulatory authorities around the world. In here we can see fatigue machines testing the strength of the products. This test ensures that our implants and abutments can withstand normal masticatory forces for a lifetime without fracturing or breaking. Here is a scanning electronic microscope, or SEM, which provides high magnification images and chemical analysis. With the SEM, we inspect implants for surface morphology, cleanliness, and alumina content. Any contaminant is detected and chemically analyzed. In addition to SEM inspection, implant roughness is also measured using an Alicona apparatus. Daily SEM and Alicona inspection provides a very tight monitoring of the surface treatment process, and the data archive allows us to go back and check certain batches if a problem or complaint arises. The next stop on our tour is the M Center. This is the global support center for our customers doing guided surgery and utilizing M-Guide, our open-frame keyless guided system. This is a full-service center that provides complete workflow support from implant planning and digital template design to 3D guide production. There are several M centers located throughout the world, with others opening continuously in different regions. Digital dentistry is a rapidly growing field, and we are confident that we can offer the simplest, most comprehensive solution on the market. Last but not least, this is our marketing department, where we team up to create, innovate, educate, and celebrate the MIS brand. Let's head out to our lovely deck. We've come to the end of our tour of MIS headquarters. Thank you for joining us, and come back to visit us soon.